tried something new. We tried live streaming of Heritage Walk. We did a live Heritage Walk in the city, and my team, all they were like backbone of this whole show. And we are glad that you are here. We had Anna Heringer today in the evening, and architect हमारे गोवा वाले Dean De Cruz Saab was also there. So now we are blessed to have you here. Can we hear something from you? Some inspiring words from you. First of all, thank you for accepting again. मतलब छोटे से call पे.
My pleasure. My pleasure is always a pleasure to be amongst you all, my own fraternity, and young people like you who are taking efforts for our profession. And Udaipur Architectural Festival, I think, is a wonderful initiative by all of you young guys, and it's whatever I've heard and seen. A lot of people in the II have told me how active you guys are and the pool of talent that you all have. And it's very encouraging to see the next generation carrying the mantle forward. Now, I was a little hesitant and a little apprehensive when the pandemic started and the lockdowns happened, and then we thought we should not be sitting taking things as they come. And it is wonderful to see how the human race has bounced back and taken the disadvantages that we all had, and the restrictions and the the kind of life that has changed. But the human race has bounced back wonderfully, and we have seen, like you all, in spite of all the drawbacks and the pitfalls of the last few months, you have organized a wonderful festival, Udaipur Architecture Festival. And similarly, at the council also, we said we shouldn't sit and we should take advantage of the situation. We started the COA Social, tried to reach out to our fraternity, tried to reach out to society, and for our profession, and to come together and interact, and it's a wonderful thing that we all have done amongst our own selves. And the most important aspect of today's time is to increase interaction amongst ourselves, and we at the council is doing it, and people like you are doing it. It's very important that we talk, we have a dialogue, we have discussions, and then we come out of it, and we learn something out of it, and increase awareness not only amongst our fraternity, but the need of the day is to increase awareness about architecture in society. And a festival like one that you organized, the UAF 2020, is exactly doing that. I always say that the contribution that an architect makes in the quality of life or in the life of a common citizen or the user is intangible, which cannot be judged or cannot be appreciated by a common man, non-architect. While a medical profession gets acknowledged because the contribution that a medical doctor makes is very tangible. आप बीमार हो, तबीयत खराब है, चोट लगी है, डॉक्टर के पास जाते हो, he heals you and you feel well, and the contribution is highly acknowledged and admired. But architects के design की हुई spaces में हम 24 घंटे रहते हैं, and a bad space affects the mental well-being of its users. Whether you are in office or in your home or recreational places, anywhere you go, you are living and spending time in spaces designed by architects, in buildings designed by architects. And this intangible contribution, which affects the quality of life of a society, is not acknowledged. So it is the responsibility of us architects to take our profession to society and make them aware that this intangible contribution is paramount to your existence, and it affects the quality of life of you all. And festivals like this, programs like this, you young enthusiastic architects have the responsibility and the mantle of taking this awareness into society. And the festival, architecture festival that you organize, is a wonderful platform to do exactly that. And I'm very happy to know that you guys have done this and involved other fields as well, art, literature, music, and mostly the pool of talent that we have amongst our fraternity is phenomenal. And we need a platform for all this. And this is a festival which gives that. And I don't know if you attended the IIA NatCon this time. You should have seen the kind of talent that we have in our country amongst architects, our own fraternity. And such kind of platforms in every city. I would write to all the architects in the country to follow your example and to organize such architecture festivals in each town, in every little town. And I'm sure we'll support such initiatives. We'll take your experience and expertise, and we'll ask you to help organize such programs and help other people, other architects in other cities organize such kind of programs. And this symbiotic relationship that we should have with our fraternity and the society is vital for our survival in times to come. And such kind of interactions in a festival, which is a holistic canvas for such kind of programs, suits your soul, and it gives some kind of satisfaction, because it enhances and it brings forth all kinds of aspects which are correlated to architecture, without which architecture does not exist. Music, art, sculpture, literature, poetry, everything, comedy and tragedy and everything, that it's a holistic existence that architecture is. And this kind of festivals bring that out on a common platform. And I'm so happy for you, Sunil, and your team, and all the performers and all the participants. And, it's a big thank you from the Council of Architecture for taking this initiative. And once again, do enjoy, and do let me know the clipping of the last 2 days that you all had, so that I can watch it at leisure, so I can be a part of it in the virtually. Thank you so much for inviting and giving me this opportunity to be here, and a little different than all the legislations and acts and the amendments and the mundane things that I keep doing these days. This is a very wonderful diversion from what I've been doing. Thank you so much, Sunil.
Thank you, sir. And on a lighter note, I would request something that आप एक compulsory कर दीजिए, हर architect में एक skill होना चाहिए, either हंसी मजाक का या गाने का, बजाने का. Just joking, sir. Okay, nothing official about it. Thank you very much.
I think वो inherent होता है, हर एक में inherent होता है, उसको निकालना चाहिए हमने बाहर.
Yes,
it has to come out, and platforms like this, because once you're an architect, I'm sure every architect is a better human being than anyone else. I'm not saying because I am an architect or I have an ego, but inherently the kind of education and learning that goes into becoming an architect, it makes you a holistic individual. खाली वो अंदर का जो छुपा हुआ talent है, जो अंदर का हमारा creative ज्वालामुखी है, उसको हमको निकालने के लिए जगह देनी चाहिए. और ऐसे फेस्टिवल उसको जगह देते हैं, एक प्लेटफॉर्म देते हैं वो बाहर निकलने.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for being here.
Thanks a lot, everyone. All the best. Thank you.
Okay, so thank you, Habib sir. And this festival would not have happened unless this team that you see behind. इतना बड़ा backing है इसका कि I'm just the face, but the काम करने वाले लोग सब यही है. मैं सिर्फ मुखौटा हूँ, वो भी इसी टाइम हूँ, हो सकता है अगली बार चेंज हो जाएगा. So there are few more people who have supported us a lot, and our jury is already in our studios, and we just request them to wait for a few minutes, and we are running late by 5-10 minutes actually, not more. And I would request Sumita ma'am. Sumita ma'am, can we see you on screen? Sumita Saroj ma'am. She is Joint Director, Rajasthan Tourism, and responsible for marketing and strategy or something. And she has supported us a lot. I mean, day one was, I think, Densle Saab, and day 7 approx, we approached Sumita ma'am, and she said, yes, you can do it, and we'll be with you. So Rajasthan Tourism supported this event. Sab 9 सीखियों को support किया है. She took a big risk, and the only condition was you should not have any political personality or political motives behind this festival, and we stuck to it. And ma'am, something from you. Okay.
Thank you, Sunil ji. Many, many congratulations, first of all, to you and your team. And सुनील जी फोन करे और हम सपोर्ट नहीं करे, ये हो सकता है क्या? I remember, Sunil ji, I think so it's almost 7 to 8 years when you first approached us, the group of architects, when you approached us in Udaipur, and our association starts from there. बहुत ज़्यादा तो नहीं कर सके, लेकिन फिर भी हम लोगों ने जो माजी का मंदिर है, that's one place that has been now turned into a hot tourist destination. तो वो सारा सुझाव आप ही के टीम से आया था. And I remember, I don't know how many of the participants have seen Udaipur, but if you're going on the Lake Pichola, तो वहाँ पर जो ड्रेनेज पाइप्स हैं उसके ऊपर ये डिसीजन चल रहा था कि उसको ब्यूटीफाई कैसे करें. तो देयर वर नंबर ऑफ सजेशंस कमिंग इन फ्रॉम पीपल. कोई कहता है गमला रख दो, कोई कुछ. तो वी हैड डिस्कस दिस विद सुनील जी एंड हिज टीम एंड हिज ऑल हिज फ्रेंड्स आर्किटेक्ट. तो उन्होंने बोला इसमें एक ब्यूटीफुल छतरी बना दो विच विल जेल विद द सिटी पैलेस बिहाइंड इट. तो सुनील जी, आज की तारीख में आई डोंट नो हैव यू सीन इट और नॉट, बट वहाँ पे सब छतरियां बन गई हैं एंड इट लुक्स सो ब्यूटीफुल एंड आई टेक pride in saying everything ki yes, I was associated with this idea. So I would first of all like to again congratulate you all people for organizing such a beautiful festival. When Sunil ji first called me, so I did not hesitate because I feel architecture and tourism, I mean, is connected directly. We as Rajasthan Tourism have been promoting many festivals. We do and organize festivals which are mostly cultural festivals. We have been associated with literature festivals also. But this is the first time that we have been associated with an architecture festival. And that too, and when the suggestion or the proposal came from a city from where I am, so there was no going back, which is going back or supporting your initiative. When from the tourism perspective, when I will talk, for us when we market tourism, so most of the time when you are speaking, our USPs is the culture and the forts and the palace. Those are the two components which attract Europeans and the Americans to Rajasthan. So that was the time but when we think of it, it is actually the architectural brilliance of these forts and palaces that makes it so special. I mean, makes it so different that people from all over the country, from overseas, come to have a look at Rajasthan. When you travel around Udaipur, around Rajasthan itself, when you go to the Shekhawati area, they have their own architectural USPs in the forms of the Havelis. When you go to a place like Udaipur or Jodhpur, small Ravlas are there, small palaces, छोटे-छोटे ठिकाने हैं वहाँ पर. तो सब में जो एक like I would say the heritage of या culture of Rajasthan उस पर clearly reflect होता है. And मैं ये भी मानती हूँ कि जब टूरिस्ट जब आते हैं, मतलब स्पेशली जब उदयपुर के सिटी पैलेस को देखते हैं, तो वो लोग अमेज्ड हो जाते हैं when they see the city palace के टॉप मोस्ट फ्लोर पे ट्रीज लगे हुए हैं. It's only when they come to know कि ये पूरा का पूरा टॉप फ्लोर, ये सब जो सिटी पैलेस उदयपुर है, it has been built around the hill and how they have used the height of the hill and उसके अराउंड में बना हुआ, तो they are so amazed. Similarly, आप उमेद भवन को देख लीजिएगा. उमेद भवन again is a massive city, मतलब massive complex. You just can't imagine उस टाइम पर इन लोगों ने without cement, just line motor या जो भी टेक्नोलॉजी इन लोगों ने यूज करी थी, उसके साथ इतना मैसिव और ब्यूटीफुल पैलेस बनाया है. और व्हेन यू कम टू थिंक ऑफ इट, इसका सेंट्रल में जो डोम है, विच इज डबल डोम, वो कैसे बना होगा इस हाइट पे, विद लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज, विद नो क्रेन्स, विद नो सच मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजीज. तो मेरा ये मानना है कि ये जो बिल्ट हेरिटेज जो आज, मतलब जो हमारे एंसेस्टर्स ने सोचे थे पहले या बनाए थे, वो आज की तारीख में टूरिस्ट हॉटस्पॉट्स बन गए हैं. वो उनकी आर्किटेक्चरल ब्यूटी, उनके आर्किटेक्चरल वैल्यू की वजह से ही आज की तारीख में टूरिस्ट वहाँ पे उसको देखने आते हैं कि व्हाट इज सो स्पेशल अबाउट इट. एंड जिन्होंने बनाया था उन्होंने भी नहीं सोचा था कि कभी ये उनके मॉन्यूमेंट्स, ये पैलेसेस, ये फोर्ट्स कभी इतने लोगों को एम्प्लॉयमेंट देंगे डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली थ्रू टूरिज्म. और मेरा और एक चीज़ और मानना है कि ऑर्गेनाइजिंग इस तरीके की जो फेस्टिवल्स हम करेंगे वो बहुत लंबे समय तक, या इट विल गो अ लॉन्ग वे इन इनकल्केटिंग अ फीलिंग ऑफ pride among the youngsters for a heritage, or maybe even educate people टू कंजर्व एंड रेस्पेक्ट हमारा बिल्ट हेरिटेज को। तो ये फेस्टिवल जो आपने पहली बार किया है, बट मुझे लगता है कि नेक्स्ट टाइम, इस बार तो कोरोना की वजह से इट हैज ऑल बीन वर्चुअल, बट आई होप जब नेक्स्ट टाइम ये हो तो ये लाइव हो और आप सब लोग हमारे उदयपुर में पधारे एंड यू एंजॉय द आर्किटेक्चरल ब्यूटी ऑफ उदयपुर। Thank you so much, Sunil ji. I would again congratulate you and your entire team for organizing such a beautiful. I mean, I haven't seen much of it, but मैं थोड़ा सा join कर लिया था and I was enjoying the songs of Arjun Singh. So it is a beautifully laid out festival, and I think next year when you do it, we'll do it on a larger scale.
Yeah, okay. Thank you very much, man. Thank you. Your words.
I will, Sunil, I'll interrupt for a minute if you don't mind.
Yes, sir, please.
I always wanted to compliment Rajasthan tourism, but this is the first time I am getting an opportunity to talk to Madam and be in front of her. Please accept my heartfelt thanks and congratulations on the exemplary work that Rajasthan has done in promoting tourism with built heritage. Nowhere in our country this has ever happened. And Rajasthan has done it exceptionally well. I'm not saying because we are here together, but this is dil se main bol raha hu. When you go abroad, when you go to Europe or you go to any other historical place, you will see how much they exploit architecture, built heritage and tourism.
Right.
And in India, I always feel कि हम ये कुछ नहीं करते हैं. उनके यहाँ 100 साल पुरानी कोई इमारत होगी, उसको इतनी बड़ी कहानी बनाते हैं. हमारे पास में इतना thousands of years का heritage है. And Rajasthan has done it exceptionally well, and I really want to congratulate and thank you for doing that. And let's hope that the other states also learn from you, and then let us, empower our economy through built heritage and tourism.
Thank you so much
The
for
tagline of
thanking
this festival, Udaipur Architecture Festival. Ma'am, just one second.
Sunil ji,
Yeah,
I would
please.
just like thank Ahmed साहब for his kind words. और मैं यहाँ पे कुछ और भी ऐड करना चाहूंगी कि राजस्थान वाज द फर्स्ट स्टेट जो वे 90s हम लोगों ने इसकी पोटेंशियल को रिकॉग्नाइज किया था। और जितने भी आपको मालूम है ठिकाने हैं, सबके पास कुछ पैलेसेस या छोटे छोटे रावले हैं, उन लोगों के पास समझ में नहीं आता था कि उसका करें क्या। इट वाज आस्किंग फॉर लॉट ऑफ एक्सपेंडिचर उसको मेंटेन करने के लिए। उस टाइम पे हम लोगों ने एक हेरिटेज के लिए स्कीम निकाली थी, जिसमें हम लोगों ने जो भी इसको होटल में कन्वर्ट करेगा उसको हम लोगों ने कुछ इंसेंटिव्स दिए थे। और अब की भी बार हमारी सरकार, मतलब द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ राजस्थान की पॉलिसी में एक ये चीज है, वी आर नाउ स्टार्टेड इशूइंग सर्टिफिकेट्स ऑफ हेरिटेज सर्टिफिकेट्स। इसमें जो भी बिल्डिंग्स हैं कुछ नॉर्म्स हैं, एंड एनीबॉडी हु इज हैविंग अ हेरिटेज बिल्डिंग कैन कम एंड टेक द सर्टिफिकेट। और उसमें लेटर ऑन व्हेन यू आर बिल्डिंग अप ए होटल और ए रेस्टोरेंट, आपको बहुत सारे इंसेंटिव्स और बेनिफिट्स मिलेंगे उसकी वजह से। सो दिस वे वी आर ट्राइंग टू कंजर्व इट ऑल्सो, एंड लोगों को इसमें डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली एम्प्लॉयमेंट भी मिल रहा है।
Very nice.
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू मैम। और सर आप रुके हुए हैं, ये जान के बहुत खुशी हो रही है हमको। Okay, so I we go to the next section of this event where we have all the jury members in our studios, and I apologize for the delay. We were slightly हम थोड़ा सा लेट हो गए थे स्टार्टिंग में, so we could not assess the time. पहली बार कर रहे हैं तो थोड़ा गलती हुआ है, हम we are sorry for that. So we before we go to the competition section, I want to introduce my team to all of you, because this is the team which made it possible, and I feel that we should acknowledge their contribution here. And I'm sorry. Okay, can you allow my screen to be shared? A team is already there. Okay, the team is already there, and we have architect Priyanka Arjun as an integral first member. Then we screen पे कुछ और आ रहा है, but कोई बात नहीं अभी. I don't want to get into this technical stuff. Then we have Ruchira. Architect Priyanka Arjun was the one who was first. Amit और Sunil के बाद में she was the one who said yes, let us do it. And then we have Ruchira, who has worked tirelessly in compiling almost like 200 entries. उनको सब compile करके jury members के साथ सब coordinate करके, and she has managed it so well. And she was not keeping well, but she was there 24/7 with all of us. Then we have Mayuri Sodani. Mayuri was our internet and marketing champion, and she was managing all the sponsors basically, and which was a tough task, plus managing all the e-messaging and emails and all whatnot. Then we have Anup Gupte. Anup Gupte, why Anup Gupte is here is, one, he is husband of Ruchira Bhanawat. Okay? No, jokes apart. He was the first one. When we asked for volunteers, he was the first one who said, I am in. And that's why he is here, and we want to respect, we want to honor that feeling of volunteering. कि पहले जब कोई नहीं आया तब he was there कि मैं आऊंगा. तो ये तो फिर इसको बाद में हमने नीचे कर दिया और हमने रुचिरा को आगे कर दिया. So we used Ruchira, but he managed his son very well so that Ruchira could contribute a lot. We have Harshit who made all the graphics. He was like fed up. कभी spelling सुनील S के आगे dot लग जाता है, कभी LA double DH हो जाता है, तो बहुत गाली खाया इसने. But then he just did it. And today we have a big hoarding in the city depicting all these people on the hoarding, and this is also designed by Harshit. कुछ गलती है तो उसमें भी Harshit जिम्मेदार है. Okay, then Divya has tirelessly been attending technical workshops, okay, which is very tough for an architect like me. मुझे डिजाइन पसंद आएगा लेकिन टेक्निकल वो सीमेंट में कितना मिल रहा है, क्या मिल रहा है, मैं अभी भी नहीं समझना चाहता नहीं. But Divya did it yesterday. She was coordinating with Seedling School. We had a very good session with the school students, and Divya was the one who organized it. And thank you, Divya, for this. We have Pragati Soni. We have had lots of hampers distributed across the city. We wanted to give a physical feel to the whole thing. So Pragati was responsible for the hampers distribution, not distribution, but collaborating with the vendor, and she did it very nicely. Nuren is our journalist. She has been working and covering the festival and posting on all possible platforms, all media platforms, and her news is the highlight of our event, and she is the one who is taking care of this. So thank you, Nuren, for joining in and creating this festival into a document now. Akhilesh has been a smiling face, and his presence makes it all, and we feel that we have somebody who is Mr. Reliable, and he has done it. And Lokesh Kataria joined in late. He was a volunteer. He's a student volunteer, and he was a student in spite of jury में पास होगा फेल ये पता नहीं, लेकिन हमारे यहाँ पर ये पास हो गया है. And Pawan was given the toughest task of delivering all the hampers, and he had a tough task. People said मैंने एड्रेस तो ये दिया पर अभी मैं यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ पर आ जाए. So he was like distributing 300 hampers, and somehow he could manage it. और 4 दिन बाद आज दिखा है क्योंकि वो हैम्पर ही बांट रहा था, कभी इधर जा रहा है कभी इधर जा रहा है. But he was there in the evenings. Okay. Then this is architect Sunil, you know about him. This is architect Amit, who is the head and tail of ASAP Academic Foundation, and this is what UAF 2020 is all about. So thank you all, and we deserve a big round of applause for all of us. Wherever you are, just do it for us. Okay. So can we have Ruchira and the jury members in the screen, and so that Ruchira takes over. Ruchira, over to you.
Yes.